Right, it's a really quick one. I'm going to make a latch for this door. So at the minute, obviously, it's just held by the elastic, but it could still open. So what I've got is a small bit of HDPE. Now you could use Kydex or tin or aluminium or something, but I thought this is quite readily available for people, so maybe they could use that. So it's just, like I said, a bit of HDPE. It's quite thick. It's probably about the thickest one I've found. And I've cut. There's no measurement. You have to just kind of judge it to your door on your trap. Oh, and if you hear me snivelling, it's because I've got a cold. Typical. Caught it day after Christmas. And I've drilled 3 holes. That's just ready, just to screw underneath. Now the next bit you could do with a heat gun or a lighter. So all you want to do is heat one part, then fold it over. Heat gun to do this perfect, but you know, not everyone's got a heat gun either, so. You want to get that so about that kind of position, and then hold it there and let that kind of set at about that position. It'll probably spring open a little bit anyway. Now, like I said, you could do that with tin. I'll let that set and then we'll come back. Right, so that's set now. See how it is? So we've got it bent over and the 3 holes drilled in. Now all I'm going to do is turn the box over. And we're going to screw this to the bottom of this box. Perhaps just leave a little bit of gap, otherwise maybe too tight. I suppose it wouldn't matter because you could, if it's HDPE, you could just, or Kydex, you could just trim it if it comes to it. Now, whatever you use, it's got to be semi-flexible. See, like this, it's got to be a little bit flexible, otherwise it won't work. So I get these 2 screws in it, and what I might have to do is you may have to adjust some. So one of the screws is quite far forward. If you find it's too far forward, then take one out and move it back a bit. Which is what I might do. We'll try it. So then, see, it's holding it closed now. Now to open it, you would pull that down, set your trap. Let's put this down so you can see if it works. If not, we have to take one of these. Well, there you go. Well, it does work. And then the door then is held by that. Now that might give a bit, so if you think it's not going to be strong enough, then you could I suppose what you could do is put a bolt through there. If you thought that was going to open up, see how it's opening a little bit. If you thought it was going to, you could put a bolt through there, so it's still shut down and moved as the door come down, but wouldn't open anymore. So I reckon a bolt in there would definitely work. And then you just pull it down. works perfectly. I think that would hold a fair few animals. Like I said, drill a hole through, put a bolt in there or a screw or something. I don't know if a screw would work, but a bolt which would allow this to still kind of flap would work. But there's an idea for a lock for your door. Right, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.